Hey everyone, welcome to TubeToWealth. My name is Will, and I'm really excited to have you here. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. I am not an experienced YouTuber. I've never made a YouTube channel before, never uploaded a video, never tried to make money on this platform. So why am I here? Well, I've been fascinated by Faceless YouTube for a while now. I keep hearing stories about people running faceless YouTube channels that make money, building passive income streams without ever showing their face. With the rise of AI tools, it's becoming even easier to start a faceless channel in 2025 and actually make money from it. And I thought, why not me? The thing is, starting can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of information out there, and I know I'm not the only one trying to figure this out. That's why I decided to document my journey. If you've been thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, or you're wondering about profitable faceless niches for beginners, we can learn together. So if that sounds like something you'd be into, hit that subscribe button and follow along as I figure out how to make money on YouTube in 2025. Before jumping in, I did a lot of research. I watched some of the most popular Make Money YouTube 2025 videos and took notes. I even used AI to help me analyze the key points from top creators. Then I spent time rewriting everything to make it my own. Here's what I found out. The first thing I realized is that making money on YouTube isn't easy. There are some real challenges, especially for beginners looking to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. YouTube is more saturated than ever. There are millions of creators posting videos every day, so getting noticed isn't simple. It's easy to feel lost, like you're just shouting into the void. From what I've read, breaking through the noise requires patience and persistence. You can stand out, but it won't happen overnight. The algorithm is the gatekeeper to success. It decides which videos get pushed to viewers and which ones don't. The tricky part is that the algorithm is constantly changing. Creators need to understand things like watch time, engagement, keywords, and retention to have a chance at getting their content recommended. This is something I'll need to study as I go along, but it seems like a mix of good content, consistency, and SEO strategies can help. Uploading regularly is one of the biggest factors in growth. But let's be real, it's not always easy. Life gets in the way, motivation comes and goes, and making videos takes time. A lot of people quit because they don't see immediate results. From what I've learned, success on YouTube isn't about going viral. It's about showing up consistently, improving with every video, and staying in the game long enough to see results. Now, let's talk about what actually works. The biggest YouTube creators all seem to give the same advice, so here are the top tips I found. You need to have a focus. If your content is all over the place, it's harder to attract a loyal audience. Successful faceless YouTube channels tend to stick to one topic and build authority around it. Finding the balance between what you love and what people actually watch is key. That's why I chose this faceless YouTube channel idea, documenting my journey while sharing insights. You don't need expensive gear, but your videos should be watchable. That means clear audio, engaging visuals, and solid storytelling. If people don't enjoy watching, they won't stick around. I'm still learning video editing, but I'm committed to improving with every video. The best YouTubers don't just post videos, they interact with their viewers. They reply to comments, ask for feedback, and build a sense of community. I want this channel to be a space where we can learn together, so I'll be reading and responding to as many comments as possible. A lot of people think uploading a video is enough, but the reality is that YouTube is a search engine, and marketing matters. Successful creators use social media, collaborations, and SEO strategies to drive traffic. Marketing is just as important as making good videos, and it's something I plan to focus on. Now you might be thinking, YouTube is too competitive. It's too late to start. But here's why I don't believe that. YouTube is still growing. More people are watching than ever before. There are more ways to make money. Ads, memberships, super chats, brand deals, affiliate marketing, digital products, you name it. Technology makes it easier than ever to start. Cheap cameras, free editing software, and AI content creator tools to make money on YouTube are making content creation accessible to everyone. Niche audiences are rising. Even smaller channels can thrive if they cater to the right audience. There's never been a better time to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. The opportunity is there. You just have to go for it. So before I could even get this first video out, here's what I had to do. I knew I wanted to focus on faceless YouTube niches in 2025 that have real income potential. A faceless format lets me stay anonymous while still delivering value. Instead of posting randomly, I mapped out a few initial video ideas based on the best faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025 to keep me on track. I spent time getting familiar with editing software and figuring out how to create smooth, engaging videos. Now that this first video is out, here's what's next for me. I'll stick to a schedule, analyze what works, and tweak my approach. Better editing, better visuals, better storytelling. I want to level up with every upload. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Try different formats to see what resonates. Guides, listicles, case studies, etc. Learn more about SEO, improve my thumbnails, and promote videos outside of YouTube. This is just the beginning, and I know I have a lot to learn. But with every video, I aim to improve and get closer to making money on YouTube in 2025. If you're on the same journey, let's do this together. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you're interested in following my journey and learning how to make money on YouTube in 2025, make sure to subscribe to TubeToWealth. In my next video, I'll be talking about how to choose the right faceless YouTube niche in 2025 and why picking the right niche can make or break your channel. I'll cover the best faceless YouTube niches for beginners, easy faceless YouTube channel ideas, and how to pick a niche that is both profitable and sustainable. So if you've been struggling to figure out what kind of channel to start, don't miss it. Also, if you have any questions, whether about how I made this video or about YouTube in general, drop them in the comments. I'd love your feedback on this video, and if you have suggestions for what I should cover next, let me know. And finally, if you've ever thought about starting a faceless YouTube channel, now is the time. Let's figure this out together. See you in the next one.